Hello. It is that time of the year. It's October, or better known in the industry, Blocktober. For those of you who don't know, Blocktober is an annual celebration in the game development community, where level designers, environment artists, and developers share their blockouts, also known as whiteboxes or greyboxes. These are early layouts that shape how a game level plays before it gets dressed up with the final art. This year, I'm adding my own twist. Instead of choosing my own themes, I've built interactive spinners to decide my daily challenges. Those are the Location Spinner, the Time Restraint Spinner, and the Unreal Template Spinner. The Location Spinner will dictate where I build the level. That could be an oil rig, floating islands, a shipping yard, a train yard, a subway station, a whole host of locations. The Time Restraint Spinner, how long I have to build it, and the Unreal Template Spinner decides what template I use and therefore what genre of game I need to design around. If you want to do this challenge yourself, I've included the links to the spinners down below, or you can just search Blocktober on Wheel of Names. I have spun my spinners already, and I have gotten an oil rig with the top-down twin shooter mechanics and 30 minutes to make it. Get started, you load up the latest Unreal Engine, click on Games, and then, depending on what template got spun for you, simply click on the mechanic and choose the variant. You can choose to rename it, and then create. And then, once you've loaded in, you have until your time limit to make your level. Let's have a look at what gameplay we have inside the twin stick variant. As you can see, we can move around, enemies spawn, and if we click, we can shoot the enemies. Right click, we can throw a bomb down, nice slow-mo, and hitting them gives us a little bit of knockback. So now we know what sort of features we have. We can try and now make our oil rig within 30 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Right, that's 30 minutes on the clock, starting now. There we go, we just got like a blank canvas. Represent the water. And now we're just gonna. So we've got the wall back again. Make it a bit more interesting. Platform there. And then this. Really should set up the snapping. So now we've taken it from one nice simple square into 4 simple squares. But we're not stopping there. We are going to add some elevation. So now we can use this to go upwards in elevation. We've now created another route here, there, by this central location. Almost half the time. The question is, do we leave this open? I think we do. We've got a nice raised elevation in the middle. I think it would also be good to have a point of lower elevation, and I think we'll do that in this section here. Yeah, let's completely go crazy with this one. Loses that oil rig feel, doesn't it? So yeah, let's just take this down. These pillars are what gives it that oil rig feel. Only 10 minutes left, so we're 2/3 of the way through. It's going to be just very loose because it's blockout. Now I'm just going to create just a little feature piece, or what I would place in addition. This will be sort of a crane. Probably should have used a cylinder for that, but hey ho, fine. Makes sort of like a shipping container here. There we go. Make this into sort of like a administration building. And we got about 20 seconds left, but I'm going to call it there. And that's our 30-minute oil rig for the top-down shooter template. And there's the actual timer going off now. There we go. We are done there. So let's give this level a play and see how it. Okay. Probably should have checked the spawn point location. That's on me. Let's quickly fix that. Now let's play. Okay, spawned in fine. Oh, we know these spawn locations work. What if we go up here? These ones do not work. Okay, I have cleaned up some of the bugs. The nav mesh is now working, and fixing that has actually allowed the other spawn points to work. And there was just some lag on the camera I didn't quite like, so I've brought that down so it works a bit better. So we click play, see these ones are still spawning, and we've got people spawning up there now and well up here. So we'll give this a little proper run through now. So that's cleared out, and now we have a little horde collecting over this side. There's a few things from a gameplay perspective I think I would change. Possibly add like a nice camera effect so you could see the player through an object, just so you're always aware of where you are. Maybe add it to the enemies as well, because you don't really want to be hidden from, have the enemies hidden from you in a twin stick shooter like this. And there we are. This is our oil rig for the twin stick shooter template, made in 30 minutes. Let me know what you think, and stay tuned for the rest of Blocktober, where I'm hoping to have a complete variety of different concepts. There's loads of Unreal Engine templates to choose from, and I've added a lot of different locations, and we've got a lot of different time presets available. So I'm hoping you'll enjoy this little month-long series I put together, and maybe you'll find some inspiration to do some stuff yourself and create your own blockouts. Either way, it's been fun showing you this, and I'll catch you in the next one.